Hey guys, so today I'm going to replace the headlight bulb, the original yellow light, in with this. Alright, so first we're going to take this, the 10 mil. So these pin right here, be careful or else you will snap it. What I do is I bought a kit. So these are the kit that's like I use to ply them off. And these kits only cost me 15 bucks, so it's well worth it. Alright, once I get those two off, so you pull out from these two, just be careful. So pop this up right here, just like that, and you yank one side out. Just like that. And you go ahead, you yank out the other side. And we'll put this right here. And then next thing you do is you grab that clip right here. Pop this clip open. And we gotta take this thing out. So we're gonna go to the back one right here. Once that's done, move this thing down a little bit and get this, and just be careful because there are pins right there. See, just like that. And same thing with this side. So just be careful with this side too, right here. See, just like that. All right, next step you gotta do is so this one right here, and that will give you access to that headlight, and one on this side. All right, make sure you take this off. Oh. Alright, so that's how you get this headlight. So people will ask, why did I get this light bulb instead of HID or instead of like convert it to HID conversion? Because if I convert it to HID, I will lose the leveling. So all Toyota, make sure you don't touch the light bulb. And before we put it back on, we gotta try it out, see if it works. And the light is bright, yep. So we're gonna put this one side back on. There. So once that's, so once the headlight's on, all right, so that one's done. Now we gotta work on this side. Alright, so slide this pin in right here. Alright guys, so that's how you do it. So let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so everything's all back together. All the screws back in, this is back in. So there we go guys. That's how you replace the headlight bulb.